ng after view init and ng after view checked. In previous video we have discussed about ng after content init and ng after content checked. Kindly watch that video before watching this video and also subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Basically these four lifecycle hook methods are applicable on component views. As the directives don't have the use, these lifecycle methods are not applicable to the directives. Here in this video, we are going to discuss in detail about ng after view init and ng after view check. Basically, ng after view init is used to write some custom logic once component view is fully initialized. This is useful to write some extra initialization logic along with ng on init when the views of the component is initialized. This is useful when view child or view children is used within the component. If you want to write some business logic by using view child or view children properties and methods, then ng after view init is the right place to write that logic. Basically, this is called only one time when the component is initialized. If you want to write some business logic whenever some change happened within the properties of the view child or view children or any change detection runs, then ng after view checked is the right place to write that logic. Basically this is called after ng after view init and every subsequent call of ng after content checked. Let us try to understand this with simple example program. Okay, this is the simple Angular application which was created by using Angular CLI. I made some small change to save some time. I have created employee bonus component. Basically, this is useful to display the employee bonus, and it is using the EMP bonus property of the component. Here, EMP bonus is the one property. Employee ID is another property, and it has one method that is calculate bonus. Uh, for simplification, I have written simple logic. Basically, we need to fetch the employee details from the server and we need to write the required business logic within this. But here for simplification, I made some if else statement. If employee ID is equal to EMP01, then bonus will be 30,000, else it will be the 50,000. Okay, now in app component we have used this employee bonus component. So employee bonus component is the view child of the app component. If we want to use any properties and methods of the employee bonus component within that app component, then we have to use view child decorator. About this view child and view children we have discussed in detail in previous video. Kindly watch that video for better understanding. Here in app component, I made some extra changes. One input text I have created where we can input employee ID. Then one button and it has the click event calculate salary and that employee ID will be passed to that method. Okay. Here it will display month salary of the employee by making some calculation along with the bonus. Okay. Let us modify this app component .ts where we need to write we need to use the properties and methods of the employee bonus component. For that we need to use view child. Let me use that view child. Okay, here within that we need to give employee bonus component. Within object we need to give static. About this we have discussed in detail in previous video. Kindly watch that video. Okay, let us give some variable name is of type employee bonus component. Okay, by using this property we can use the properties and methods of the EMP bonus component. Okay, now let us write some initialization logic to calculate bonus and month salary of employee. For that we need to use ng after content init, sorry, view init. Okay, within that we need to write we can get the properties of employee bonus. For that we need to use bonus cal property and let us give some bonus EMP bonus. Let us use the method of EMP bonus, and let us calculate total salary of employee by giving some basic salary 50,000 plus the bonus. Okay, so let us see the output. Here EMP bonus will be the uh, 50,000 and the salary will be the 1 lakh, because EMP bonus, EMP ID is not given any initial value. Okay, let's see the output here. Yeah, we can see that employee bonus is 50,000 and monthly salary of employee is 1 lakh. Okay, if I give EMP 01 and click on this, uh, then salary should be bonus should be changed to 30,000 and employee salary should be 80,000. Okay, now it is not happening because the logic has been written in ng after view init, and it will be called only one time when the component is initialized. If some whenever some change happened or change detection run, if you want to execute the same logic, then you should write that one in ng after view checked. Okay, let me pass same logic in ng after view checked. Okay, whenever we click on the button, let us modify the property of the employee ID so that it runs the change detection. And whenever the change detection runs, this ng after view checked logic will be executed. Let's see the output now. Okay, now let us give some MP01. Yeah, we can see that now it got changed to employee bonus 30,000 and 80,000. This is the way we can use uh, ng after view init and ng after view checked. Thank you.